In this video, we'll be covering the brand new i4L SCARA robot series from Omron. Hello, today at Mechatronic Solutions, we're covering Omron's i4L robot series. The i4L is a compact and affordable SCARA that offers strong performance, a flexible design that makes it simple to install, and easy to use features that help maximize productivity. The i4L is available in 3 different sizes, coming in a 350, 450, and 550 millimeter reach. Offering segment-leading performance, the i4L series provides high inertia and high duty ratings that are uncommon to lighter-duty SCARA robots. Combined with a 5 kilogram payload and high degree of repeatability at plus or minus 10 microns, the i4L can tackle challenging processes with ease and without fear of unexpected faults. Out of the box, the i4L is ready to be table or wall mounted and offers options for rear or bottom cable routing, providing installation flexibility to best suit the application need. The controller is integrated inside the robot, which eliminates the requirement for extra floor space. It is also equipped with standard built-in connections for communications, I/O, and pneumatics, making connection to other devices easy. Utilizing Omron's ACE software, users can enjoy powerful yet easy-to-use programming tools. Menu-guided wizards for motion, vision, and process programming make setup a breeze. And if needed, the open architecture of the EV+ language enables a significant level of customization, allowing users to get the most out of their i4L's operation. Lastly, interactive maintenance alarms alert users of service intervals, and the customizable multicolored dome light helps users diagnose problems more quickly by providing an intuitive visual indication of the robot status. If you would like more information or are interested in seeing a demo of the i4L, contact us here at Mechatronic Solutions.